I'm Matt Healy and I'm here with leading appliance brand Hisense. Every year, UK consumers spend over £5 billion on pizzas, mostly coming from restaurants and takeaways. I'm here to show you how you can do those at home using the Hisense PizzaChef. Plus, I'll take you through my 5 favourite pizza toppings. So to get started, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple pizza dough. So all you need is some strong bread flour, some lukewarm water, some yeast and some sugar. Now the sugar is important because it activates the yeast with the water. It's like giving it a little bit of breakfast. So we just pop that in there, give it a little stir, and then we just allow that yeast to activate. We'll leave that for 2 or 3 minutes. My yeast is activated in this lukewarm water. Now we just add it little and often. You can add, but you can never take away. Start by half, and then we'll just start cutting it with a spoon to bring it all together. And it will come together. It just takes a little bit of time if you're doing it by hand, which is more fun anyway. Now, don't panic if the dough's a little bit sticky. We'll now get it out of the bowl, dust your bench a little bit, and then we'll start kneading, and it will come together. Fold back on itself and then push and stretch, and then you're stretching the dough there, working the gluten. And it does feel sticky, but it does come together. Just keep working that dough, 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll let it rest. So where you're at the stage where it's springy, put your finger in and it springs back. We'll pop it back in the bowl, pop it somewhere warm and let it prove. So our pizza dough's been proving for about an hour, and you can see it's tripled in size. So what we need to do now is get it out onto our surface and just shape it into balls and ready to use. Bit of flour, we're going to knock the air out of it, and then it really is as simple as cutting it into decent sized balls. So you get 4 pizzas out of that dough recipe. So turn it inside out is what I would say. That's the easiest way to explain it. Turn it inside out so you get a lovely dough-like shape. Or even better, you could freeze them. They defrost really well. So you could double the batch, make 8. And it doesn't matter if they're not all the same size. You're getting a lovely artisan pizza dough, which is all made by hand, no mixers required. Really simple, lovely, homemade pizza dough. This pizza I'm going to show you how to make is a ham and pineapple. Everybody knows ham and pineapple, but it divides opinion. For me, it's a fabulous flavour combination. And here's the magic bit, pineapple. So this pizza is a bit of a spin on a classic. So the classic pepperoni, I'm going to do my play on that with a really good salami and a stinking Stilton Blue. Oh, can I have one of these ovens? They're so good. So next up, we're going to do one of my all-time favourite dishes on a pizza. It's chicken fajita. So I've got all these ingredients: peppers, jalapenos, chicken, chilies, spring onions, and of course cheddar and mozzarella. Next pizza I'm going to make is a spicy sausage and chili. This is not for the faint-hearted. This is definitely for the ones who like a bit of heat. So to finish off my top 5 pizzas, I'm going to do something quite controversial. I love cheeseburgers, I love pizza. So I thought, why not combine the two? So that's what I'm going to do. So there you go, my top 5 pizzas. If you want more information on the Hisense PizzaChef and my recipes, head to the Hisense website now.